Welcome back. Coming at you with another unedited video. It's Azure. We're in my kitchen. Yes, I'm wearing a Roots hoodie. Yes, I'm from the border of Canada. Yes, the lighting is terrible. Because today, what I thought we would do is, what's in my fridge? And, ooh, I got real dark there for a second. Oh, we're gonna move a little bit more. Okay. Sorry about the lighting. Actually, I'm not. We're doing a what's in my fridge because I need to clean my fridge out because it has a lot of stuff in it right now. We'll do what's in my freezer too. Maybe even what's in my pantry later this week. Maybe I'll film it early and edit it. That's a lie. I'm not going to edit it. Yes, I'm in my pajamas again. No, I'm not wearing a bra. Don't have any makeup and I brush my teeth. So that's moving up in the world. The lighting's awful. What's in my fridge? Okay, let's see. Okay. That'll work. Okay. First thing in my fridge. Lemon turmeric salad dressing. I get this at River Rat Cheese down the street. It's made by my mom's friend's friend in Syracuse. It's really good. It goes well not just on salad, but on bowls of vegetables, which is what I eat because I'm vegan. This is my all-time favorite salad dressing. Drew's, rosemary, balsamic, delicious. This is Organicville ketchup. We have the smallest bottle of champagne. It was left over from New Year's. This is my favorite barbecue sauce. Sensuous slathering. Just Chipotle mayo. Just mayo is fantastic. Chipotle is also delicious. Spicy brown mustard. Traditional pub style mustard. Cuban mustard. I like mustard. Salsa. This is the fire roasted garlic. Orange marmalade, favorite toast topping. Oh, and some Worcester sauce. I eat a lot of pseudo Chinese food. Also, in here we have my favorite vegan butter. There's more in here somewhere. This is the Miyoko's. I know, it's really good. I put it in baked goods all the time. It's good. Toast butter as well. Also, in the butter drawer, we have my jade roller for my face. So that's exciting. Now let's put some of this stuff back. Let's see. Marmalade can go there. This also goes in this corner. This ketchup is, like, good. I mean, Heinz is better. Let's put it out there. Or, like, homemade. I've made homemade ketchup that's really good as well. Although nothing beats dinosaur barbecue sauce. Also, I did a really fun Instagram story that is a highlight now on my profile about how to make avocado toast. Because I love avocado toast. I have a tattoo of an avocado on my rear. So I won't show you. Mustard over here. So, mustard, I have a lot of mustard. I think there's more somewhere. Well, I know there's more somewhere. I don't know where. But I eat a lot of mustard because my favorite meal is mustard and pickles. Because that's super healthy. Okay, first bottle of seltzer. This is Ginger Lime Mule, which is pretty good. This is regular, just mayo. I like to dip french fries in mayonnaise. This is lemon juice. Italian Volcano. I get it at the co-op. It's really good. My friend, who's also vegan, who lives in Texas, it's a complicated situation. His mom bought this for him by accident, and I like the French vanilla flavor. So he brought it to me last night before he left. Almond milk. This is good almond milk, but it's too expensive. I ordered it for the co-op, and I thought it was big bottles, and it wasn't. So that's upsetting. This is vegan nog that I think it's time to part with because I've had it for too long. Wing sauce. I made cauliflower wings on New Year's Eve for my best friend and I. Diet Orange Dry. This is my all-time favorite soda. Sorry, Diet Coke. Another vegan creamer. I could probably ditch this one since I have this one, but that one expired in February. When does this one expire? This one's good for like ever. I don't put creamer in my coffee, actually. I just put a lot of sugar in it because, let's see, Right after opening, do not freeze. Because I had company, and oh, this is May 19th. This will stay in there for until. This is cocktail sauce that I made. I think we should pop this in the freezer. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, freezer is a nightmare. That's next. So, almond milk, a hot sauce. Also, that's not my only hot sauce. I have a shrine of hot sauce I'll show you later. Lemon juice, mayonnaise, second mayonnaise. These can go in the door here. Okay, bottom shelf. Ranch, again, not for me, vegan, and I think ranch is gross anyway. A second bottle of this. I'll put this up here with the other one, so that makes sense. Yeast. I make all my own homemade bread. If you want, well, I'm making an Instagram story of it. If you want, I can make a video of how I make bread. It's pretty good. I make all my own. Homemade vegan Parmesan with nutritional yeast and cashews. Hail Mary. I have 3 Hail Mary. We have cookie dough bites, 2 of them. They're really good. And then a chocolate mint tart, which I have already opened some of. Also down here are these pickled carrots. I love pickles and anything pickly. I like pickles. I'm doing this video now because this is the fullest my fridge has been in since I moved in. I'll put the champagne with you in here. Okay, let's start up here. We have key lime pretzels. Not for me, they're yogurt covered. They're for my sisters. They picked them out when they were here. And 2 Buckeyes, also for my sisters. Buckeyes, by the way, if you don't know, peanut butter ball dipped in chocolate. Delicious. This is another I have for my sisters. This is cheese and pepperoni. I babysat them last week, and I have it in case they need to eat. This is half lime. Oh, this is a stasher bag. It's a reusable Ziploc bag. You can boil it, you can bake it, you can put it in the microwave. I have 3 of them. I have one this size and 2 bigger ones. 10 out of 10, recommend that. This is vegan Asian broth that I made, where I spelled Asian wrong. And I put the date on it because I make ramen at home a lot, because it's an easy way to eat a lot of vegetables, and I put like radish and carrots and spinach. I would put bok choy in it if I have bok choy, but I don't. So I like this, and I use the Better Than Bouillon vegan chicken. I just went through a drawer, I would show you it somewhere. We'll do that when we do that one over there, but this is good. I made it. 10 out of 10. These are bread and butter pickle chips. These are my favorite bread and butter pickle chips are my favorite pickles, but this is not my favorite brand. But I really like this brand. It's organic. I get it at Co-op. I like that. Sun-ripened dried tomatoes. I put this in pasta. I just made a sauce. I made my own roasted red peppers, and I put that in them. This is dill pickle spears. I never say no to a pickle. Oh, we should take this out of this bottle. This is ginger beer. I like vodka and whiskey, so ginger beer is a good mixer. I really like this Ithaca soda company. I just tried this for the first time. And I really like this. I'm gonna buy this again. It was spicy, but not too spicy. It was clear, which was nice. Here's a single apple of that. The first drawer will do. Local maple syrup. I live in the North Country. Lots of maple trees. Good maple syrup. My sister brought this over on New Year's Day because we had mimosas, and she wasn't sure if I had orange juice, and I did. I bought it for that. Oh, this is some more almond milk that's almost empty. This is Naked Chardonnay in a can. Haley brought this, my best friend, on New Year's Eve because her mom didn't like it, so she gave it to me. Haley lives in Mississippi, so she wasn't going to take it home, you know? We'll put that down here. This is my second favorite cider. I'm such an asshole. This is the 1911 cider donut cider. I like all of their ciders. Well, I don't like the fruit flavored ones, like blueberry and raspberry, because I don't eat those. But this one is really good. I really like it in the cans, but this is what my grocery store had. This is some vegan chocolate frosting. I make my own frosting, so I don't really know what I have that, but I do. These are my favorite candy bars. They're Nellie's. I like all the Nellie's ones, but these ones are my favorite because they are German chocolate, which I really like. And everyone I met, like my boyfriend, my best friend, none of them like coconut, so I'm never going to make a German chocolate cake. But this is what I eat instead of that. Also, I have a pitcher of water. The tap water is fine where I live, and I know what's on the bottom of it. Probably coconut oil. The tap water is fine, so I just fill this up and keep it in my fridge. I also think it looks great. I got it at Target. Okay. Let's see. Cider. Okay, put that in there. I'm sure this is exactly what everyone wants in a what's in my fridge video, right? Like, I'm actually just organizing my fridge. Am I a YouTuber? No, I'm not. This has to go back to my sisters. Okay, well, it's in my pickle shrine. I have more pickles as well. They're just down the shelf because my fridge is very messy. Let's see. The lime should go in the door. Well, no, it should go in the fruit door. Frosting. This doesn't even need to be in the refrigerator, but I don't know why I put it there. Neither do the pickles, nor the other things. I mean, not pickles. The pickles need to be in the fridge. The key lime pie pretzels. These two. So I would put those on the top shelf. I keep my maple syrup in the fridge because I heat it up when I'm going to eat it. Okay, next thing. Santa Cruz Agua Fresca, lightly sweetened organic cucumber lime. It tastes like a Starbucks cool lime refresher when they had this on the menu. I'm bitter that they took it off. This is leftovers from last night. I made General Tso's tofu, and I put red peppers, snow peas, broccoli, and tofu in it. That was pretty good. These are pickled onions that I made. When I move, I'm going to set up a whole fermentation station. This is another jar of dill pickle spears. They're the same ones. This is vegan French onion soup. I make a really killer French onion soup. This is the version. I need to bring one jar over to my parents' house, because I told my mom I would. This is a bag with, these are barbecue tofu chunks. They're hodu soy. I really like them. I like to make corn grits and put them on my corn grits. This is Korean kimchi. I just tried this one for the first time the other day. And I really like it. I will eat more of it. Well, I should. I bought it, so. This is a wrapped up half a head of garlic that I roasted with salt, pepper, olive oil, and truffle oil on it. I just roasted it in my toaster oven, wrapped up in thin foil. This is homemade dumpling sauce, because you'll see in my freezer I eat a lot of dumplings. This is, these are chipotles and adobo. I make a lot of Mexican food, and I like this in my Mexican food. It's like Chinese and Mexican. This is vegan chocolate cream cheese frosting. Let me put this in my freezer. That I made. I made that. Daya dairy-free cheese. I got this for the French onion soup. I'm making pizza with it tonight, so we'll see how that goes. This is tofu. This isn't my favorite brand, and I think it's still good. Oh, well, I should deal with this. It went bad 2 days ago, so I'll just make it. Oh, these are field roast chorizo that I like. I don't have the package for them. This has definitely gone bad now. This is celery I've had in my fridge since I moved in. This is rice that I made last night. I had a friend come over and I made, shout out Ethan, hi! I made us the General Tso's tofu and rice. He's also vegan. These are Mexican hot chocolate truffles my sister made me. These are Mexican hot chocolate cookies my sister made me. So this is controversial. I, as a vegan, still eat honey. And I eat local honey, and I eat organic honey, and honey that supports beekeepers. So this is honeycomb. It was a gift. These are some potatoes that I made. They're purple potatoes. They're not black. This is cheese spread that I like, vegan cheese spread that I like. I have it on hand to take to parties, so I can like bring something I can eat. Hodu soy tofu. These are curry nuggets. I like the curry ones as well as the barbecue ones. This is Wayfair chocolate pudding. That's vegan. Popcorn. Oh, this is dough that I was supposed to use to make Christmas ornaments with. Rice. This is, my mom made me cashew cream a couple weeks ago, so I've been eating that. This is homemade bread. I make all my own bread, as I mentioned earlier. This is an everything bagel loaf. You'll see in my freezer, I have a couple, I make 4 at a time, and I gave one as a gift. So I do that. And then these are some grape tomatoes. I don't eat tomatoes raw, but I do roast them and put them in things. So let's put everything back in the fridge. Also, these are my favorite Pyrexes. I like the lid locking on them. It's like I can, and it doesn't come off, which is nice. I also don't know if I need to keep a honeycomb in the fridge, but I do. These should go on the top shelf. I have Gives You Hell by the All American Rejects stuck in my head. Did I just listen to it? No, I'm thinking about it. Back here. This one can go to my mom's. And I pack, so when I am working, because remember, laid off, when I am working, I pack my lunch and I make it in mason jars and I make it all on Sunday. So, fun fact about me. Yeah, this is pretty good. It's not my favorite I've had. Well, I haven't had a great one. But it's really good and I think it's good for what it does, you know? I'm trying out pizza for the first time, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, next we have a full case of these Waterloo watermelon seltzers. This is my favorite seltzer. It only comes in cans, which is unfortunate. This is a roasted red pepper and sun-dried tomato sauce that I made. Or it's more like a pesto, but I'm going to put it on pasta and eat it for dinner this week. Or maybe lunch, who knows. This is, Ethan's mom bought vegan food, and now he's going back to Texas. So I have, they brought me some leftovers, which is nice. So this is a tofurkey sausage. This is Maopu tofu that Ethan made that he also brought me to try. And this is vegan lasagna that his mom made them putting it in the freezer. I don't know what's going on with this. Oh, I think that my dumpling sauce is spilled on it. That's definitely dumpling sauce. That's vegan lasagna soup that I made in my Instant Pot. Ah, here it is. This is my favorite butter that you should definitely try. It's great in baking. It's good on toast. Like, I can't say enough great things about it. Ethan made a pie crust with it. I can't wait for Ryan to get back and try it, though. He's going to be like, oh, man, butter does taste good. Like, yes, Ryan, vegan butter is good. Jesus Christ. This is hummus. I like hummus and pickled vegetable sandwiches. And it's fresh vegetables, too. This is some organic baby spinach. Washed 3 times, so I don't have to. I get this at the co-op, too. Most of my groceries are from the co-op or from the health food store in Watertown. Just because that's where I can get food that I eat, you know. When you have dietary restrictions, and like, okay, we'll talk about being vegan for a second because that's, you know, my fridge is mostly vegan. So I'm vegan for a variety of reasons. I've gone, that's the quality content you're looking for, armpit. I've gone back, so I was a vegetarian. Well, I've been a vegetarian a bunch of times. Hold on. And then, oh, that's my Instant Pot. Move over, AOC. I'm kidding. Please don't. I love you. Maybe I should make videos like that, talking about politics and like feminism and cooking in my Instant Pot. Would you be into that? Should I do that? I don't really care what you're into. I'll do whatever I want to. But, let's see. I got an Instant Pot for Christmas. What did I say? Oh, vegan. So I'm vegan. I'm lactose intolerant. Let's start with that. But I've been a vegetarian on and off for years. And I went, a little over a year ago, I went full vegan for the first time. And I did it for months. And it was okay, and it was, like, fine. But I was living on a college campus, and it's not very conducive to eating vegan food. It was really hard. I had a hard time. I didn't have enough energy. I couldn't, like, do anything. Like, I was really deficient in a lot of my nutrients. And I couldn't afford to eat off campus and live on campus, you know? Very catch-22. So I stopped. And then I started to gain a lot of weight again. Obviously I'm not thin now. But my weight fluctuates a lot. And that really, like, hit it bad. So then I went vegan again in September, right around when I moved out. Or before I moved out, right around when I met my boyfriend, though. And since then, it's like I felt so much better, and I feel so much better. And I don't want everyone to stop eating meat. Like, okay, maybe that would be great for the environment or whatever. I'm still not convinced about that argument. But I have no issues with people eating meat. And I make my turkey every year for Christmas. Or in Thanksgiving, like I always do the turkey. I made lamb this year for Christmas, and I don't mind making it for people. If you come to my house, I'll make you vegan food, unless you're my baby sisters who are 5 and 7. Like I'll feed them whatever the fuck they want to eat, because they're 5 and 7, and one of them has diabetes. So whatever they want, they get. So that's my thinking there. Okay, so here's my half a lime again in my stash bag. Yellow bell pepper. I love bell peppers. Here are the tomatoes from earlier. I have a personal sized avocado from Aldi. This is a half an avocado and this cute little avocado saver thing. I have some radishes. That was really exciting. My computer fell. I don't really know what's going on there. Oh, my kettle fell off my thing. Whatever, keeping that in the video. Fun content, am I right? And then I have a bunch of apples and oranges, mostly for my sisters. I don't love fruit, except for like citrus, and I don't like to eat oranges. And then in here I have some carrots, and these are cocoa bites that are good. Okay. What's in my freezer's got to be quick because I've got stuff to do. First thing, I need to throw this away. Baja Blast Freeze that I froze. More misspelled Asian chicken broth. Frosting I just put in there. Bag number 1, these are my favorite. They're not labeled as vegan, but they're vegan. I don't know what's going on there. These are the spicy vegetable ones. I like them a variety of ways. There's more of the coconut creamer. I got this at Target. It's just diced ginger, or minced ginger, crushed. I don't know. I like it a lot. Here's an open bag of the wontons. This is one of my stasher bags. These are avocado fries that I made. I just put breaded and fried avocado. I just pan fry them. This is my second favorite vegan ice cream. This is the 7-layer bar. These are some french fries. Oh, these are really good. These are potato and cauliflower tater tots. This is another bag of the mini wontons. Frozen cauliflower. I eat that a lot. This is edamame. I eat edamame when I have wontons, especially because then it's like a lot of protein. Baby cut green beans, gluten-free tortillas. I don't love those ones. I like the smaller size actually. Not the Udis. I like corn tortillas. I have some coming in. Well, hopefully I have to look at the order and see what's coming into the co-op. Because there's a kind I want to try that are made in Vermont, which is kind of cool. Because I went to school in Plattsburgh, and they're like, I wouldn't say Vermont's local, but when you're trying to source local organic food, you can't just do a 20-mile radius of where you live if you live here, which is sad, but true. I would love to be able to do that, but we can't. This video is half an hour long already. Cool. Okay. This is a lasagna I put up here that Lynn made. Okay, so this is rosemary sea salt bread that I made and wrapped and froze. This is roasted garlic. This is all white bread too. I just got whole wheat flour, so I'm going to start trying it out. This is pizza crust that I got. I'm going to eat one of these tonight for dinner. Try it out. This is a veggie burger. This is a little bit of coconut whipped cream left. I like to eat coconut products instead of like soy because then I feel a little bit better. These are lentil sage slices. These are field roast. These are vegan, right? Yeah. Okay to freeze. They're pretty good. Morningstar chicken strips. These are hamburger buns. I like this bread company, Silver Hills Sprouted Bakery. When I bought bread, I would buy their bread. Their Little Big bread is good. It's like a little thinner. That's what my mom gives my sisters, especially Annie. It's way less carbs than like a full slice of bread, So it's easier with the diabetes. Let's see, go back in there. Also, a bottle of vodka. I like Tito's, whatever. Okay. This is chicken noodle soup that I made. This is also chicken noodle soup that I made. Here's my 7-layer bar. I also have, so Ryan brought this to me before he left. He asked what my favorite kind of ice cream was. I gave him like 4 options, and that's all he could find. And then the next night he brought a different one, and then the next night he brought a different one. This is Van Leeuwen ice cream. It's $10 a pint, which is highway robbery, but it's so good. This is the chocolate flavor. They have a vegan honeycomb that I'm very interested in. This is so delicious. Mousse that I really like. That one's the salted caramel swirl. This is the lemon swirl. I haven't tried the lemon yet, but I've tried several other kinds. And I really like it, and I was very pleasantly surprised. My all-time favorite vegan ice cream, though, is the Ben & Jerry's Cinnamon Buns, because I love it. I also have Tofutti Cuties, which are ice cream sandwiches. And they're small, so they're nice. And then I have these Gardein pizza pockets. They sent these to the co-op for us to try. We tried them, and they're really good. But I've heard Ethan told me the barbecued ones are better, so I'm going to try the barbecue ones. He was just here last night. That's why I keep talking about it. This is a nice pack. But yeah, that's what's in my fridge. And what's not in my fridge now. The next video I film will be a what's in my pantry. So I'll probably do it later today. But that's what's going on. I'm fixing this. Alright, this is a half-hour video. Hope you watched it. If not, that's okay too. I'm going to keep making them because I hate myself. Alright, see you next time. Bye.